My name Patty Dumpling. Let me tell you something. The British Art Foundation, Lord, me loving them vibration. Them come with them sound advice. We can still season food nice. No make Patty Dumpling tell you twice. Listen and long up your life. Hear them say, don't forget about your heart. Help it play its vital part. Come down with me.
You have to hold the thing back. It's all. You all right, friend? Yes, but you see, I don't use to the weather anymore. Since me come from England. Hello,
Hi,
American.
Yes.
We can tell.
Yeah, how?
Yes, your voice is accent.
Oh, okay.
You can give me a lift? Eh?
Yeah, lift.
Yeah, give me a lift and eat. Now give me a car, you can't see. And look anyway, then. When I'm married. Patty, not Patty. Yes, it's Patty. I have to do both in it. All right. Did you? Don't eat from the British Foundation. Hey, come on. Let me catch you up fire now. Not too pregnant. Too pregnant for the night. You don't carry on. You're too nice. You can say hello, you know. Yes.
Smile setting all, isn't it?
How you doing, man? Me good, man.
Oh, we could do the ride up at the top of the gate.
I right at the top of the gate, but I don't know how you're going to get that yet. You might have to wait a little bit more. You know? You're looking good, though. I love the way you're looking.
All right. You all right, my friend?
Yeah, I'm good.
You must check your prostate. You understand? Like the heart, stroke, sugar, hypertension, the salt. You're having too much salt.
Come here, here.
You hear what I said? Too much salt. You put the pressure.
Come here. Be careful where you go. Yeah, I want you to
Hey, me hold for the door.
Ah,
Right.
show me the face.
Yes.
Hear them say, don't forget about your heart.
Yeah, man. See you back, sir.
Hello. Get a Patty Dumplings.
Just watch your head and go in there.
You must look after the heart.
Oh, good.
And
Yo, let's see it, man, yeah?
Go here, sir.
Yes, sir.
look after them, man.
Sure, man.
Me say me name Patty Dumpling. Let me tell you something.
Yeah.
The British Art Foundation. Me love with them vibration. Then come with them sound advice.
man.
Yes.
Reality, man.
Just said the heart is the seat of motivation.
Sure.
So no cause it botheration. Not fatty. Me name patty. Patty don't play. Not fatty.
Not fatty. A patty, I said it. No, I said patty. I said patty, man. Patty don't play.
So what going on Jamaica then?
Jamaica, the thing nice in a way, you know. We only have to, we only want money here and work, you know. Everything alright, you know.
You have everything. The food that
The
I'm
food there,
going to
no.
the breadfruit.
Me a farmer, you know.
Breadfruit in England.
Yeah.
5 pounds, 10 pounds for one piece of breadfruit. Yes.
What is for money?
And you know England, we don't get no sun. So we're dying. Where we can get a bottle of sunshine to take back? Where we get that?
You could get.
Oh, we twist off the top and the sun come out.
Where you go?
Actually, then it's thrown and they got the sun chest.
Yeah, Sanchez.
Sanchez.
Yeah, man, what's it?
Capleton.
Yeah, my Capleton is my friend. He's my friend.
He's my friend.
I DJ and sing to you.
Is it?
Yeah, man. I sure. You do movie.
Yes, of course.
Yeah, so you can do something for me because I'm a DJ and singer, you know.
What me got to feel?
Like, yeah, I mean, I business like Mr. says, official.
Alright. We must have an audition.
Audition? Yeah, but you know.
Yes, and you can have one audition. It's hard, we can't take on everybody.
Take me on, man.
Like I said,
I play a show, me rap up,
audition.
show and singer.
You must come with me now.
No.
Yes, and we go Black Tower. Get fire. We go to the Black Tower.
So you say me can come with you now?
Right now?
Yeah.
Yes.
No, I'm my uncle boss this. I just help him, me no work on it, not now.
Well, I tell you what I can do.
Yeah.
In England,
Yeah.
a lot of people know me.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
I'm on the face off.
Yeah.
And they put you on the face off.
Yeah.
But me must hear your voice first.
Yeah.
Well, put out a tune for me now.
Right now?
Right now.
Alright. Yeah, hear me now? Alright, hey.
Conscious spirit.
Alright. Some people, you know, you don't have to do them nothing for them hate you, you know. And we burn out those type of people. So yeah, you want me to say now, because you don't know say I'm in here for self-flex, you know. Hey, on a mercy. Hey, yeah, you me know. Do them nothing, you're not fit, do them nothing for yet you. Do them nothing, you're not fit, do them nothing you. Do them nothing, you're not fit, do them nothing for yet you. No for them out the way you don't like to. Don't hate them, you know, cause you know got no reason. But you can't like a one if a one not like you. No for them, with them not like you. Say them spirit can't take you.
Hello, how are you? I don't as good as you know. So
All right,
I
party dumpling.
yes, I go to the school for the picnic and we have some nice things there.
All right, party dumpling.
Alright. Fatty? You call me fatty dumpling?
And party dumpling is it?
Say me my damn fat upstairs for me.
Yes, I
You tell
know.
yourself that me come in.
Yes, I know.
Yes.
Lord.
So when I did said you have something to fit me.
Well, only the same one, I still not get the long sleeve one.
Alright.
See, I work with it. Why?
Eh?
A big bottom that fits
Yes,
you,
of course.
big bottom that.
That's why they said
That's
that
why.
me must
That's
be.
why. Try it over the bottom and see if it will work.
Yes, patty, not fatty. You understand?
Big difference.
Off. You find me on the face off. Yes.
But
By
the
England.
bottom.
Yeah, patty dumpling. Alright. She said patty dumpling, yes. No, me looking to see if this can fit.
Try it over.
Dry it over. Alright. This body of mine, me inherit it from my grandmother.
There's a patty dumpling behind, babe.
Stop fearing me, man. Yes. Me here with my friend and me just buy something nice. Yes, me go all over Ocharias and me don't find anything as good and nice as this and the price good. So you must make sure you reach. Yes, where about is the shop?
Ocean Village, Shop 48, OHS.
And what is your name?
I'm Chrisen.
And tell me about what your mother used to do.
Oh, she used to dance in this for like a floor show thing, like her husband and all that. It was beautiful back those days. And Miss Lou was the original wearer of that material.
And this is
So
why
you have a
like
wise
yes.
word of wisdom about the heart that you can tell people at England how they must look after them heart.
You know what? Be kind and be loving to each and every one of us. Because we're all one. And God is love and love is love.
Alright. Is that the name for the dumpling?
Hey, shake it,
Make me
shake
tell
it, fatty
you something.
dumpling. Hey,
British and foundation.
oh, you mean fatty boom boom?
We loving them vibration.
Oh, you mean big girl?
Yes.
Sweet Jamaica. So what a nice place to live. Sweet, sweet Jamaica. The only problem is dollars not run. Help me big up Jamaica. The land of Jamaica. So sweet, sweet Jamaica.
Sweet, sweet Jamaica. Yes.
Jamaica.
The message that they have come and drop is the salt. It's not good for the heart.
You want me to help you with the suitcase, fatty dumpling?
The suitcase alright, every hole, but they don't cool.
All right, fatty dumpling. Jehovah,
What size is it?
size me wear? Size large? Large. Oh, thank you.
Did they give it to you yet?
No, you didn't give
They didn't give it to you yet?
Never give it to you.
You can help me, but you're a nice woman. Yes, and I give you Jamaica.
Thank you.
With your
Somebody.
God bless you.
What on the patty dumpling want to talk to you?
Hello. Hello, my friend. So, who come here and reach? And we've been here almost 2 weeks now. Eat. Later, you think that we're going to come around like people? Me told, yes. We just make the way to the craft market. You soon come.
Choose today.
20 minutes. No make that Jamaican 20 minutes. Remember, you use at England now. Alright. Alright. See you later. You see this? This was me when I was younger. This me when I was younger. This was patty dumpling.
Yeah.
Before me pressure lift.
You're still sexy.
Yes.
You are looking up, boy. You are looking up. You are looking up.
St. Elizabeth, they will never Calabash at Treasure Beach.
Yes.
Oh, you
Take your time. Shake the bumper now. Shake the bumper for them one more time.
Yes.
Yes, mama. Later, mama.
Listen.
Remember me tell you about
Let me
customer
tell you
service.
something.
Yes.
Let me tell you something.
Yes, my visitor.
They reach here already. last week and me tell people me a reach.
Yeah. So they know say I come.
So them no say me a
But they
reach.
shouldn't wait because guess I'm gonna me a
You not
carry go
carry, you not carry me like you know. It's who can pass with.
Lord
I
have
want to
mercy.
take.
I was
That's not good at all.
That's next to the hen.
Right to my face.
That's next to the hen.
You come.
Don't look left, don't look right.
How are you come, Mama? Mama, show the
You must name your food in moderation. Just said heart is the seat of motivation. Not cause it moderation. So when you're seasoned, you must take all the things.
Show your picture of your young.
What there?
When you pick the man. When you pick the man. It's about your fitness. Where you think I put people? Yes, you can have two of them. There's no one for my grandkids. We have to reach the school, you You know what? This side, though, this one, they start to look up the blood pressure. It may get swell water. We can't be fatty.
Music time.
Do this
Dumpling patty.
Listen, let come to your last. Missouri.
Alright, yeah. No,
Dumpling like patty. Dumpling.
Patty dumpling. This is the green tea for the heart. The green tea for the heart.
It's too much salt, no good. This sodium in the salt, it lift up the pressure. Give your blood pressure. Yes. It make your body hold on to the water. And the water make you swell up. And when your body hold on to the water, your heart have to work hard, have to pump the blood around the body. So that's what make the pressure. So if you cut down the salt, a stroke, a heart attack, diabetes, and all them things.
How much of a thing long time? I shot the thing. A real thing, you know. See there? I have the latest brand.
Meet Patty teaching us about to take care of the arts, and that's so good. And we appreciate her coming in and educate us. Okay.
Yeah, we just want to thank Patty Dumpling for walking over here to the Ultra Craft Market, promoting the heart, and we thank her very much.
Why is she drinking rum? She drink rum. She advocate art, she drink rum. What's going on? That's not
Yeah,
rum.
drink tea.
That is not
We're
tea.
drinking tea.
That's the best tea I've ever tasted.
Yeah, tea for the arts.